today with my manager in India, we will discuss 5 most important things that you need to know before start in Amazon to dropship in 2021. Sam, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Let's first share our dropshipping results from our newer Amazon account.
Okay, as you can see that my screen over here, it's you can see I just took that 22 of September, and today is like October 2nd October, so it's around 7 days. And if I refresh that data, you can see here we already sold around $13,500.
Okay, we have over $30,000 for less than 10 days.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Welcome back to the channel, my friends. I am Vitan and I left my job as a software engineer 7 years ago to start online business. Now I have 29 people in India. Sam is the manager there. Okay, Sam, let's give the tips to the guys, but first I want to say what tips we will give: how to start dropshipping in Amazon, payment methods, suppliers, avoid suspension, and how to find winning products. Are you okay to answer to these questions?
Of course, I will help our new members for starting their business to make some passive income while they are traveling abroad or somewhere else, but they can still earn money. So definitely I will share my important knowledge with you.
Okay, thank you very much. Let's start with the first question: how to start dropshipping in Amazon? What's the main point here? How to do this?
Okay, so first thing is that if you are living in US country, then it will be most easiest work for you, so that you can create you can sign up and you can add your phone number and your payment method. It could be bank details, or it could be your credit card, or maybe it could be your Payoneer. Okay, but if you not in USA, if you from some other country, first you have to understand if you have option for global selling or not. If you do have the option for global selling, then you can start you can create your account anywhere from your country if they have permission. Okay, and after then you need to put the details, like as I told you, your phone number, your bank details, or maybe your card details, and this is the first step to step in the Amazon dropshipping business. Okay.
Okay. About the payment, the second question is what we need to know about the payment in Amazon to receive the money, and what's the most important here?
Okay, see, you can see this is a Seller Central account. Okay, and you can see that it's a professional plan. If you understand, it's a professional which is good for for getting buy box, win buy box. Okay, and what the other things you need, you see here the deposit method. Okay, if I open this deposit, see, you can add your bank account number, as you can see here. Okay, and you can replace it if you want to change. Okay,
but what bank I can use? I'm here in Bulgaria and currently I use my Pioneer account, but what else? Can we use TransferWise? They was actually wisest. Yeah.
Yes,
everything.
Pioneer account is the a good option for people who live in outside of USA.
Then we can just create a US bank account in dollars with Wise, Pioneer, or any other bank, and can use this for to receive the money.
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you very much for that information. Don't forget to click to subscribe button just to receive an information when we upload the next videos. Okay, next question is suppliers. What suppliers you suggest to use as the beginners?
Okay, for beginner, actually I suggest to use Sam's Club and Walmart.
But how we can buy from Sam's Club and Walmart if we are outside the US?
See, you can purchase account. There is people in the market who is selling tax exempt Sam's Club account, and this is not a problem if you live outside USA. You can create Sam's Club account. I live in India, so see, I can open Sam's Club in my country. If you see my screen,
okay,
and without proxy, I am not using any proxy right away. So,
without proxy?
So as you can see that I logged in and there are a lot of orders you can see, and the most important thing that Sam's Club not cancelling your orders like others.
Okay, then we don't have any issues with that.
Yes, correct.
And also with Walmart, right? You can purchase from Walmart.
Yes, but if you use your own Walmart, I'm talking about our audience, that if they are use their Walmart accounts, might be there is an issue to cancel their orders, because as a new Walmart account, Walmart cancelling their orders. I mean, every day maximum you can make around 5 orders, and once you go above the 5 orders, then they will started cancelling your orders. So as a service provider, we are actually not using only one Walmart account. We are using a lot of Walmart accounts. So this is not an issue for us, but it might be issue for our audience who started with Walmart. But yes, they can...
Okay, to avoid these problems, they just can contact us on support@smpro.net, and to join our program, we can make a purchase for them, or etc, etc. Okay, then don't forget to comment below if you have any questions. We will be happy to help you to answer to your questions. Okay, Sam, let's continue with how to avoid Amazon suspension and how we need to start our account at the beginning to have less amount chance to have a problems with Amazon, because as we know, they very often stop the accounts.
Okay, as you can see, I have opened account health section. Okay, the first thing is that you always to take care about A to Z claims and negative feedback. So let's assume you receive one negative feedbacks. Okay, somehow your customer leaves negative feedback intentionally, or maybe due to lack of good customer support, they leave negative feedback. So your next plan will be to bring around 2 positive feedback. Okay, and also there is a service provider who can leave a positive feedback for you. If you don't have those reliable channel or service provider, you can contact us at support@smpro.net. We are here to help you. And about A to Z claim, always try to reply your customer messages instantly. I mean, there is an option to reply within 24 hours, but I will advise to reply in between 10 hours. So it will help you to proactive towards your customers. Okay, and about the right side, the shipping performance. Okay, if you receive any late shipment or pre-fulfillment cancel rate or valid tracking rate, see, valid tracking rate and late shipment rate is not a big issue. It can be managed every 7 days. Okay, but pre-fulfillment cancel rate can harm your account. So how you can fix that issue? That also a free trick for newcomers. It will help them to keep their account health in good situation. So let's assume you have an order, you receive an order, and when you're going to fulfill that order, you can see that this product is out of stock on your supplier account. So what you can do, correct? So here I will advise you, first put a fake tracking, okay, then confirm the shipment, after then cancel the orders.
Okay, they can take a fake tracking number using our software. Here is the video. Just click on the card and you will see the video. Don't forget to do that. Okay, next.
Next, just confirm the shipment and then refund the money. That's all. So that Amazon come to know that there is might be some issue. You refunded full amount to your customers. so customer not going to like open R2Z claim. Okay, so you will be in safe hand. So this is the proof pre-fulfillment cancel rate, like you can maintain these things. And other way, if you are getting a lot of orders like us, like if you check here right now, we have around 176 or 155, 155 orders are open. Okay, so if you are getting a lot of orders every single day, then you do not have to worry about pre-fulfillment cancellation. If you cancel orders like 2-3 orders every single day, this is not an issue. If you like getting around 150 to 200 sales every single day, so it will maintain those things. Okay, and the another thing is that, as you can see, that it's a receive intellectual property compliance. This is the most dangerous for account suspension. So always you have to take care about that, and it will be automatically removed after 180 days. Okay, so let me check when this client received that. Okay, he received it October 2. So then you can see that the listing is removed. Okay, we need to take care about those things. We can't list those kind of products which can be in intellectual property compliance. You always need to avoid those things, which we made mistakes, but this is not an issue for us. As you can see that our account health is good. We need to keep maintaining those things for next 180 days, then it will be automatically removed. And that's all those things you need to take care about to avoiding the suspensions of your account.
Oh, awesome. Thank you very much for your information. My last question to you is how to find a winning product. How we can do this? This is the most common question to every beginner. They always ask me how I can find a winning product from Walmart or from any other supplier.
Okay, so what I can advise you, it's really, I understand that it's really very hard for beginner to find the good sellable items, but you have to understand this is the things where we are working. Okay, but I can always assure you one thing, that you have to, I mean, it takes time to understand those things. It's not every single day you will learn this in overnight. It's not something like that. You have to work every single day to find out these things. So let's assume this is a product. Okay, so what you can do, you can search through title. I believe it's from Home Depot. Yes, it's from Home Depot, as you can see. Okay. See, it is from, it's selling on Amazon 750, or just let me wait. It's buying price is 4.58. If you have tax exempt, then this is pretty well. Okay. Ship to home, it's delivery free, and if you have tax exempt on this account, so what you have only have to pay $4.58 plus 15% Amazon fee. Okay, so it will be 4.58 plus 15%, which is Amazon fees. So you can see that your total cost will be $5.26.
Can you show us how you calculate the things, right?
As you can see that this product has $4.58 purchase price, and you can see that ship to home, it's free. Okay, and I always recommend to use tax exempt account, which will give you a lot of profit. So my account is right now tax exempt free. Okay, so only my purchase price will be 4.58 plus Amazon fees will be 50%, because I'm selling through Amazon. Okay, so when I add these two amounts, so it will be $5.26, and I'm selling this product on Amazon 750. Okay, so let's deduct that amount from 750. So as you can see that I have $2 net profit from one small product. And this is the thing. And also you need to like follow, as a dropshipper, I want to make sure that always whenever you're looking for a product, it need to be, you know, they have a lot of sellers selling this item. For this product, you can see there are 6 people selling this product. you can understand that somehow this product has resale permission. Otherwise, six seller not able to sell this product. Okay, so whenever you research a product, always take a look on this section, that if there has more than 3 people selling this product, 3 seller I mean. And another thing is that always take care about the selling rank. Here is the selling rank, as you can see here. Once you have the sales less selling rank, BSR, best seller rank, you will have chance to get a lot of sales. Yes, this is the 2-3 things you need to take care of while you're doing dropshipping.
Okay, thank you very much about this information. If someone wants to manage to research for him to manage his stores or something else to join our mentorship program, he can do it when he writes us to support@smpro.net. We have only dropshipping course in eBay at zerotosuccess.me. You can see this page. Don't forget to watch our video how we have over $272,000 sales in our Amazon account. Thank you very much, Sam, and see you.